Alright, today's project using the propane, what do you call this? Heater for dual purpose as a water heater. It just with the pump 12 volt running out of my battery pack I made up, and it just recircling the water, taking the cold water to the one line and taking the hot water coming back to the tank. I have a 25 liter, I believe, 11 gallons tank in the back of my truck. This is just a testing purpose. Looks like it's working. More I keep it running, more it's gonna get warmer. Yeah, it's not getting warmer, it's just getting the cold water to the room temperature water. And I'm running the fire pit without the lava rock. So once I put the lava rock, it's gonna get more hot. So just testing. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted once I set up this one into the truck, and I'm planning to go camping this weekend, Saturday, 2 days away, 3 days away technically. So alright, see you guys.